These are the dogs available for adoption here at Pinellas County Animal Services at closing time on Thursday, June the 7th. Our first dog is Shania. She's a youngish pit bull mix who is learning several commands. She's got some high energy, but she likes to sit and she will shake and do all kinds of things. She's just a great dog. Next is Sadie, who is 7 years old. She is tired because she was treated for heartworms. The treatment makes an animal kind of exhausted. But she's doing all better now, and over the course of the next couple of weeks, she will regain her energy and be happy and healthy. She weighs 70 pounds. Next is Leo. Leo is a 1-year-old. He needs some work on training, but he's not too bad on a leash. He weighs 40 pounds. Well, your eyes do not deceive you. This dog has one blue eye. Monty is 52 pounds. He is probably a Catahoula leopard hound. Just a beautiful face. And we'll follow up with a cuddle dog named Lucy. She's 4 years old and weighs 41 pounds. She walks very well on the leash, probably because she loves to cuddle. This is Louie the Hound mix. Louie knows sit. He's a year old and he weighs 45 pounds. We had a good number of adoptions today. This is Gabe, a year-old and 61 pounds. Although he walks fairly well on the leash, his energy level is a little high. Serena here is pointer and probably greyhound. She knows sit and shake. She's 2 years old and weighs 37 pounds. This is 11-month-old Titan. Titan's learning some basic commands. He will sit for a treat. He's 11 months old and he weighs 55 pounds. And this is the empty cage of an old-timer. One of my favorite dogs is gone. That's Missy. And in case you can't tell, I am dancing because she was here for just too long. Belle. Belle is 55 pounds. She walks very well on a leash, affectionate and playful. She weighs 55 pounds. We have Shane, who is 6 months old, and he likes to jump up quite a bit. Kind of difficult to get out of his cage, but once he does get out, he walks very well. He loves to jump as he plays. This is Luna. Luna is becoming one of our old-timers. She's been here just too long. She's 10 months old and 50 pounds. Notes on her cage let us know that she likes to fetch and give hugs and give kisses. She also plays in the plastic swimming wading pool. Pixie got adopted, but Trixie is still here. Trixie is 6 months old, fairly easy to walk on a leash. She's a little sad because her sister found a home before she did. But you can see she's a little quieter if you've been watching the previous night's videos. This is Rory, one of our newer dogs. 7 months old and very easy to walk on a leash. He's just sitting there waiting for you to take him home. The dog that does not just sit there is Flower. Flower is 3 months old, 12 pounds, and as active as a 3-month-old puppy normally is. The saying hello is Millie. Millie is 5 years old and she weighs 48 pounds. An extremely easy dog to walk. She's got kind of a low energy level. That makes her a great dog to have as a couch potato. Kind of hard to see the face on this dog. This is Grover. Grover's 29 pounds. He's a chow mix. He's 5 months old. And our last dog of the day is Minnie. Minnie. Minnie is 5 years old and 39 pounds. She walks well on a leash and is also a lower energy level dog. She is fully house trained. This is a great dog for a family or maybe an older person. Well, these are all of the dogs available for adoption here at Pinellas County Animal Services. All of the dogs on this video will be available for adoption when the shelter reopens tomorrow morning, Friday at 9 a.m. We will have adoptions at PetSmart in the Largo Mall at 12450 Ulmerton Road on Saturday. Thank you for looking at our adoption dogs.